Hey kids, how are you all? We have done revision till chapter number 9. Today we will carry on further. Chapter number 10. Jog terms. In this chapter we have not written in our notebook. So I will ask it from here only. Okay? And even ask it in the MCQ. So be careful and study well. Okay? A mixture of fog, smoke and fog is smog. The highest point in the sky, zenith, wetland that is frosted swamp, small balls of ice falling in the rain, hail, the imaginary line where the sky and the earth meets, horizon, the mass of snow, ice and rock falling rapidly down a mountain, avalanche, a small hill of sand formed by wind or flow of the water, dune, large chunks of ice that breaks off from glaciers and mostly floated in the ocean as a huge water bodies. Iceberg. Okay. Chapter number 11, Science and Technology. As our technology has been reached to our height, so in this chapter we have studied about that the answer the following we have seen. Some gadget do not need any wire is known as wireless. What is gold measured in? It is measured in carats. Then artificial device used to regulate the heartbeat is a p maker. Then footprints, why the footprints of astronauts are always on the where on the moon or somewhere, because there is no wind in the space. A doctor who uh, treats the diseases of immune system is immunologist. Diamond is the hardest part of our natural substance. The left-handed people are known as southpaws. What is the hot liquid that come out of a volcano lava? It is coming out is lava, right? And from this looking back also I can ask some questions. Okay, so you must have to revise this also. If the questions are from the chapters of 1 to 6, then you don't have to read that, but if it is from the our upcoming chapters, I will ask it. Touring of India. In this, oh sorry, we have not seen this 11th chapter in our book. I have written some filling the blanks, wireless gadgets, and I have made some filling the blanks. Okay, so I can also ask fill in the blanks, and even I can ask it in our MCQ. Okay, and this chapter number 12. The second largest island is Hyderabad. In which state is Baba Atomic Research Center? Maharashtra. Which is the highest rank in Indian Army is Field Marshal. Place where the underground nuclear test was done, Pakram. State where the Bhil tribe belongs, Rajasthan. Who designed the new symbol of rupees is Uday Kumar. And which state is called the abode of clouds is Meghalaya. Right? Kumbh Mela is held every 3 years. So we have for detail you can even see my further video. In chapter number 12 I have given some math the followings. Okay, I have already written the answer and send it to you. Okay, here we can have the math the followings, right? 13, right? And this is something very crucial I can ask in exam. I will try not to do this to you, but I can. See, एक पजल मैं बना सकती हूँ इसका. I could not show you Like how, just an example I can give. Especially for this chapter, I can ask it in this way, as I have not written this type of any question in our notebook, but I just give a hint because I can give, right? In I can give it in a complete puzzle, right? So I can write these questions. For example, the bird which is the bird. What was the question? The bird which is considered as a symbol of a love. Okay, I must have written this question, and you have to find the answer here, and it would be dove, right? The bird which flies under the water. It is penguin. So you have to find it on the circle, right? बाद में और कौन सा क्वेश्चन द बर्ड हुज beak has a tough large enough to hold more than 10 liters of water is his pelican, right? The Indian musical bird is cuckoo, right? And the other question is the fastest flying bird is carillon. आई कैन मेक दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. मैं यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन लिख के दूंगी और आपको क्या करना होगा. हाँ, आपको इस तरह से फाइंड करना होगा, राइट? सो ये चैप्टर में से यही पूछूंगी. लेकिन मैंने आपको नोटबुक में क्या करवाया है इसके बारे में, एमसीक्यूज आए हैं इसके बारे में. सो ये भी हम पूछेंगे. ट्रू और फॉल्स भी आए हैं. ओके, ट्रू और फॉल्स और एमसीक्यू ऐसी चीज है जो मैं कोई भी चैप्टर में से पूछ सकती हूँ. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ we will continue in our next lecture with 14, 15 and 16 chapters. Okay then, bye, have a nice day.